Hey guys, welcome. It's Eric Roberts at Worship the King. We're doing Echo this week. I'm really excited. We're doing this song in my youth band right now. And you know, when I first heard this song, I was like, whoa, that was one of my guys on the team, one of my students said I want to do this song, and I listened to it the first time. I was blown away. The words are great for a youth group. Even for an old guy like me, I still thought this is right. This is good. When my mind says I'm not good enough, God, you're enough for me. I've decided I'm not giving up. And that's not just for teenagers or youth. This is for everybody. I'm not giving up because you won't give up on me. What a great bridge. So today we're doing this bridge in the series. You can download the chart with all of the strumming patterns on the website. All the links are in the description. And please leave a comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell. All of that said to promote the YouTube channel and to help more people find the videos. But what do you want to do? We want to do all eighth notes down. All eighth notes down on the pre-chorus. And it goes like this. When my mind says I'm not good enough, God, you're enough for me. Yeah, I've decided. So it's just a palm mute is what we add to this. So we come out of the verse going, when night is falling. So we did that in the last video, and now we're going to add this. When my mind says I'm, so all down, God, you're enough for me. 2, 3. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can do like a little flip on the end. That's what I do on a flip. So, God, you're enough for me. I've decided I'm not giving up. You won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. Now, I'm trying to teach you the easy version, so you don't have to do all that tick, tick, tick. But I did it in my cover, which you can check out in the description below too. The cover is intermediate to advanced. But what I did was, because you won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. Love is holding on. So it's kind of just a mute chord, and you can do that. It's just tick, 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 and just kind of build that. Yeah, your love is holding, and we go into the chorus. So, but the basic verse is all eighth notes down. That's like I've been saying in all of my foundations is if you can just get the rhythm down and just go da 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 da, you feel the pulse of the music. My mind says I'm not good enough. God, you're enough for me. I've decided I'm not giving up. 'Cause you won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. So it's just da 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 da. I'm just kind of going just like a train. You won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. All right, so I'm going to show you all those techniques as we get going, and I teach more of this in the online school, but that is just a mute on all the strings, and then when you want to accent, you just kind of put the chord in. You do the chord for a minute, okay? So it's like, yeah, you won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. If you want to simplify it, just go ticka, 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 ticka. You won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. Love is holding on and it won't let go. So I'm going to teach you the chorus in the next video. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can see every video I'm posting this week about the song Echo, and go to the website and download your free chord chart. If you want to know anything more about doing this as a worship team or joining Worship the King Gold, which is like my online school of all the courses, foundational lessons, just go to worshiptheking.com or just put in the comments or send me an email or you know what, even just call me. All right, God bless you guys. I'll see you next time.